Your television isn't really yours. That sleek black rectangle sitting in your living room, the one you paid thousands of dollars for, is quietly working for someone else. Every time you turn it on, it's tracking what you watch, logging your preferences, and sending your data to corporations like Samsung, LG, and Vizio. The so-called smart TV has become a surveillance machine disguised as entertainment. Advertisements sneak onto your home screen, and your viewing habits are auctioned off to the highest bidder. But Apple sees the rot underneath this system, and in typical Apple fashion, it's preparing to disrupt the entire industry. Deep inside Apple Park, engineers are developing something far beyond a simple streaming box. The upcoming Apple TV 4K for 2026 is being whispered about as the device that could completely rewrite the definition of a smart home. This isn't just another update to the little box under your television. It's the first chapter of something Apple calls Home OS, a system meant to transform your house into an intelligent, responsive environment. Forget the idea of a TV altogether. Apple's goal is to make screens almost irrelevant. For the past decade, technology has been loud, needy, and intrusive. Buzzing phones, beeping watches, endless notifications. Apple's 2026 vision is the opposite. Technology that fades into the background, existing only to serve you quietly and seamlessly. They call it ambient computing, and at the heart of it will be the new Apple TV powered by the almost mythical A19 chip. This chip isn't just powerful, it's monstrous. Rumors claim it outperforms nearly every laptop on the planet. But that power isn't about gaming alone. It's about making intelligence local. Apple wants Siri and your smart devices to think instantly, without ever reaching out to the cloud. Imagine asking for a movie with only a vague memory of its plot, and instead of sending your request to some distant data center, your Apple TV finds it right away using its local neural engine. It keeps your conversations and camera footage inside your home, where it belongs. Privacy becomes the product. Apple isn't just selling convenience, it's selling digital peace of mind. The real genius, though, lies in how the new Apple TV will interact with you. Using upgraded ultra-wideband sensors, evolved from the same technology that powers AirTags, the device will understand space and motion in ways current gadgets can't. It will know who's in the room, where they're sitting, and even recognize them by their heartbeat signature or the signal of their iPhone. Walk into your living room, and the system instantly switches to your personal profile, adjusting lighting, temperature, and even the content you see without you pressing a single button. And forget remotes. They're relics of a bygone era. Apple is reportedly building advanced gesture recognition into the device. Using high-fidelity cameras or sensors near your screen, you'll be able to pause a movie, adjust the volume, or scroll through content simply by flicking your hand in the air. It's the Minority Report experience finally arriving in your living room. No headset, no controller, just your presence. Your hands, your voice, and your proximity will become the interface. This ties into the biggest software change Apple has ever made for the home. Home OS, as insiders are calling it, will merge the best elements of iOS, macOS, and the spatial features of Vision Pro. Picture the multitasking flexibility of your Mac, the glanceable widgets of your iPhone, and the immersive spatial awareness of Apple's headset, all combined in a system that doesn't just play shows but orchestrates your environment. The Apple TV won't be a box anymore. It'll be the brain that runs your household's digital nervous system. The implications go beyond your living room. Apple seems poised to wage war against the streaming giants themselves. Today you have to open Netflix for Netflix shows, Disney Plus for Disney content, and so on. Apple's vision is to destroy that fragmentation. With the raw power of the A19 chip, the new Apple TV could aggregate content from multiple services and display everything in one unified interface. No apps, no endless scrolling. You just turn on your TV, and all your options are presented elegantly, regardless of which service they come from. It's a move that threatens the brand visibility of streaming companies, but history shows Apple wins these battles by controlling the hardware and the experience. There's another rumored breakthrough hidden in the audio system. The upcoming Apple TV might transform the way sound behaves in your room without requiring special speakers. Using advanced beamforming and real-time room mapping, it could bounce sound waves off your walls to create a virtual surround experience using your existing audio setup. The microphones on the remote would continuously analyze your room's acoustics, thousands of times per second, to fine-tune clarity, balance explosions, and make dialogue crisp. Essentially, it's like having a professional sound engineer living in your media cabinet, adjusting everything perfectly for your ears. All of this ties into Apple's meticulous timing. The 2026 launch coincides with TSMC's 2-nanometer chip manufacturing process reaching maturity. That's what makes the A19 possible: massive performance leaps with minimal heat. The Apple TV can remain small and silent, without the need for noisy fans or bulky cooling systems. If Apple had tried to release this today, the technology simply couldn't keep up. The chip would overheat. They've been waiting for the hardware to catch up to their ambitions. So when you look at today's streaming sticks or budget smart TVs, understand what you're really buying: outdated devices that merely reflect content